Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything is edible.
Well, hello! Thank you for coming back to another video of mine. As always, again, if you are new to the channel, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go look for it wherever it may be. Have a good look around. You'll see the word subscribe. Press that button for me, and if you're really into it, press the little bell next to it too. That way, every video I upload, which isn't that often, but whenever I do upload, you will be notified. So, today I'm going to be cooking, and believe it or not, I don't know the name of it. Let me quickly look for this. I'm so sorry, I'm not prepared. The name of the food is going to be chicken, I don't know if I can pronounce this right. Chicken stroganoff. Chicken stroganoff. If I mispronounced it, I do apologize. But anyway, let's get to it. I'm going to start. You guys ready? Have you subscribed? Have you sat down comfortable? Because it's going to be a long cooking. Let's go. Right, so what I've got is, I've prepared a little bit. I didn't bother showing you all the little bits and pieces. The ingredients that we are going to be needing today. I've got some chicken breast cut into pieces. I've chopped up some parsley. Some potatoes sliced into chips looking shapes. Into chips basically, guys. Sliced mushrooms, and I've got some cream. Now I've got two here. I don't know if I'm going to be using both or if one is going to be enough. Now this is just to garnish it, to go on the top when it's finished. This will be frying separately and putting on top when it's ready. So the main things that we're going to be actually cooking is the chicken and the mushrooms. So without further ado, let's get that going and see how it goes. This is going to take a little while. What I'm going to do though is add some salt and some pepper into it. So I'm just going to add my peppers to it already. Okay, and I'm going to add some salt to it. Okay, so we are good to go. Just give it a little stir. Right, stir that up. Leave that there. Can't go wrong with a bit of olive oil, guys. Get it in there. Stir it up again. Get everything nice and oily, nice and cooked. Okay. Right. What I'm going to do is let that cook for a bit, and I'll see you guys back shortly. Guys, I thought, well, whilst the chicken is cooking, what I'm going to do is put some oil in here. I'm going to start frying the potatoes as well. That's it, yeah. And I'm going to let that be. Put the lid on. Happy days. Let's check up on our chicken, see how we're doing here. Looking good, looking good. Now, what I'm going to do here is get the water in there. You don't add any water or anything to this. You just let it cook by itself. Just that. So what I'm going to add is the mushrooms. So hopefully it gets soft enough as well as the chicken cooks. Just mix it all up. Let it all get nice and cooked and soft and all that yummy. Right. What's that? Put the lid back on. Leave it to cook for a little bit more. So let's do another checkup. See how this is doing. It's looking pretty good. I mean, I'm just gonna add one of the creams in. See how it is. Obviously, if we need more, by the looks of it, we do. I'm going to put the second one in, let that cook nicely, and yeah, you're going to be eating before you know it. Just get it all in there. Oh yeah, get in my belly. Right. Give it another stir, make it all mixed up. This does look good, guys. I don't know what you can see in the camera, how it shows, the quality of the lens, graphics, whatever, but my god, this is some good stuff. Okay, so yeah, you just let this cook slowly, evenly. Do that, put the lid back on. Oh, that's hot. Check up on our chips. How we doing, guys? You guys almost ready? You fried yet? You still got a long way to go. Okay. I'm going to let that fry a bit. Let this cook slowly. See you soon. See you soon. See you soon. Okay, guys. Never mind. That was a bit dangerous. Ow. Yeah. That was fun. Don't be careful, guys. Oil is not something to joke with. Ow. Okay, so that's cooking up. We're gonna let that do its thing. This, be careful. You just wanna see how we do it. I gotta pretend to be a knight, you know, with the armor cover it up so it doesn't hit me. But yeah, actually birds. These are almost done. Some of them still need more cooking than that, but give it a little stir. Ow. Okay, we're gonna let that stir fry a bit more. And then this, honestly, I think I put too much cream in it this time. You know how I like everything in large quantities? This time I think I should have just put one in. Yeah, too much cream, guys. One is enough. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna rinse my hand, man. It's really freaking burns. Right, guys, as you can see, that's empty. Our chips are ready. I've poured them to a side, so just let the oil come out of the chips as much as it can so it's less oily, I guess. Now, as for this is also ready. I'm just gonna put this in a plate. This spills. I'm gonna put this in a plate or into a bowl kind of thing, and I will serve it and I will show you soon. So that's what it is. I've just didn't put all the cream in there, even though I think I saw too much cream in there anyway. Remember guys, I should have used 1 cream, not 2. 2 was too much, it overdone it. So what I'm going to do now is get our chips. These ones, if you remember earlier, I burnt my finger with the oil. Now, it would be nicer if you can slice these into really thin pieces, but I wasn't so bothered with that. So, you just put some chips on top, just like a presentation kind of thing, right? And then, you also, remember the parsley we had earlier? Just get some bits and just sprinkle it on. That's all you got to do. It's just a bit of presentation. That's it. Now, let me bring it up close. Voila. Where is it? Where's the lens? There it is. I'm not going to spill this, hopefully. That's what it looks like. Now, what you need, this is going to be hot guys, so you need to be careful. Get your chicken in there. This is going to be hot. Where's the chips? I'm just going to pick one out with my fingers. I'm not bothered with all that fancy stuff. Right? And off we go. That's beautiful. Now, that's good. The only thing, I just think too much cream in there. It looks more like a soup than chicken Stroganoff. You know the name, right? Where is it? Chicken Stroganoff. It looks more like a soup rather than chicken Stroganoff. So less cream, I think would do it. Probably I would add a little bit more salt and some pepper. That's it. More salt and pepper, less cream, good to go. But not bad for a first attempt. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come